Ever press the side button to turn off your screen but notice your phone doesn't lock right away? That can be risky, especially if you hand your phone to someone or put it in your bag. Here's how to make your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lock instantly with the side button. First, head into Settings, scroll down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Secure Lock Setting. Enter your current screen lock. And then turn on Lock instantly with side button. That's it. Now, when you press the side button, your phone will lock right away, not just turn off the screen. As a note, you have to remember that if Extend Unlock is active, like when your phone stays unlocked at a trusted place or when it's connected to a wearable devices, the setting will not override it. So if your phone still doesn't lock, check if Extend Unlock is keeping it open. Given to the function, you can use this setting if you want to add an extra layer of security, don't want to wait for the screen to time out or rely on automatic locking, or when you need to lock your phone fast in one click. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.